of exercise, nutrition, and mental well-being. Nutrition. A healthy and balanced diet is essential for good mental health. In fact, a diet rich in refined sugar and ultra-processed foods causes significant emotional instability and is one of the causes associated with depression. To overcome the mental fog that prevents us from fully developing our cognitive abilities, fill your shopping cart with seasonal fruits and vegetables, which is also the most sustainable option. Whole grains, legumes, plants-based proteins, nuts, and seeds, and you'll quickly notice how emotional ups and downs disappear. Physical activity. Feeling good physically is essential for good mental health. When we engage in sport, our bodies release hormones such as endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, which help us release tension and manage stress, reduce anxiety, promote restful sleep, and increase energy levels. Mental health. Mental health encompasses our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act when we face life. It also helps determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make decisions. Mental health is important at all stages of life, from childhood and adolescence to adulthood and old age.